Hi guys, it's Rob Lester from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you for taking the time to check out our channel where we're all about bathrooms. If you can give us a like and subscribe, oh, super! Right, today it's bathroom related. You've probably noticed that you've had a plumber in doing some work, a team like ours doing your bathroom or kitchen, and your stopcock is weeping after it's been used. It might be in a cupboard like this or under your kitchen sink, somewhere in your kitchen, and we'll give you a little heads up as to what that might be. Let's have a little look. Okay guys, here's our stopcock. And here is where we're getting some water from. This is the gland nut, look, and it's a bit wet. It's just here. And I've been using this stopcock, turn it on and off, and that has eased this gland nut off. So all you need to do, really simple job, a little pair of adjustable spanners and give that a tweak up. It's as simple as that. So we'll get that on the gland nut here. Just adjust it, and we're just going to give that a little pinch like that. Give it a little dry with some tissue. And that should do the trick. If you've had somebody working in your house, the stopcock's being used for the first time in 3 or 4 years, it's probably loosened the gland nut, and that will cause a little weep, and chances are that is your problem. So go ahead and give that a go, and hopefully that takes care of business. Give us a like and subscribe if you can. Lovely, lovely. Check out our channel for more how-to videos, bathroom makeovers, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much. Cheers, bye.